Hello everyone, welcome to Utthanam. My name is Nithi and our today's topic for this video is French counting or French numbers. Les nombres. Les nombres. Today we are going to study number 20 to 30. We have already covered from number 0 to 20. Okay, so those who have not covered or those who have not studied till now, please go through my previous videos so that you can get to know French counting from 0 to 20. Okay, for this video we're going to start from 20 to 30. Okay, so let's start. So our first word or first number for this video is 21. 21. It's 21. In French, it would be 21. 21. 21. Please focus on the pronunciation part. It is very important. Okay, 21. 21. 21. Okay. Our next number is 22. 22. Okay. 22. 22. It is just similar to English. 22. Okay. So here we add 20 plus 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. 23. 23. In French, it would be vingt trois, vingt trois, vingt trois. It is just like that, 20 plus 3. So, vingt trois, vingt trois. Okay. Then, our next number is 24. 24. It would be one cat, one cat, one cat. 24. One cat, one cat. It is also just like in English, 20 plus 4. So 20 plus 4. One cat, one cat, one cat. Okay. Then our next number is 25. 25. One sink, one sink, one sink. Please focus on the pronunciation part. One sink, one sink. It is also similar to English. 20 plus 5. One sink, one sink. Okay. Then our next number is 26. 26. 26. One six. One six. One six. One six. I'm so sorry. One six. One six. It is also similar. 20 plus 6. So 1 6. 1 6. Okay. Then our next number is 27. 27. One set. One set. One set. Please focus on the pronunciation. One set. One set. It is also similar to English. 20 plus 7. 27. One set. One set. Okay. Then our next number is 28. 28. One with. One with. One with. It is also similar to English. 20 plus 8. One with. One with. One with. So what you need to do, only remember 20 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So 20 plus 1, 20 plus 2, just like that. 28. One with. 29 तक हम इसी तरीके से फॉलो करेंगे. ओके. Then our next number is 29. 29. Okay. It would be one nuff, one nuff, one nuff, one nuff. It is also similar to English. 20 plus 9. One nuff, one nuff. So here from 20 to 29, what we have to do, we'll remember 20 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 20 plus 1, 20 plus 2, 20 plus 3 till 20 plus 9. Okay, we'll follow this rule just like that from 21 to 29. Okay, then our last number for this video is 30. 30. Okay, so it would be in French, trente. 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 It is little difficult. Trente. Trente. 30. Trente. 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 Okay, so let's revise. Okay, what we say from 21. 21. One they are. 21. One they are. 22. Want do. Want do. 22. Want do. 23. Want toi. Want toi. 23. want tua. 24, want ket. Want ket. 25, one sank. One sank. Okay. 26, one sees. One sees. 27, one set. One set. 28, want with. Want with. 29, want nuff. Want nuff. 30, thont. Thont. Okay, let's revise once again. 21, vante a. 22, want do. 23, want twa. 24, want cat. 25, want sank. 26, want sees. 27, want set. 28, want with. 29, want nef. 30, thont. Okay, let's revise again. Thonte a, thont do, thont twa, thont cat, thont sank, thont six, thont set, want with, want nef, thont. I'm sorry, I guess I pronounce little bit different. I'll pronounce it once again. Vante a, want do, want twa, want cat, want sink, want sits, want set, want with, want nef, twant, twant. Okay, so I hope you like the video and you learn a lot. So if you like my video, if you learn something, so please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification. I hope you'll enjoy. So enjoy learning. Best of luck. Okay, bye bye. Au revoir. Aviento.